Hello, I'm Daniela Sangiorgio and I'm an Alexander technique teacher. I'm going to present TheCyCle, which is a Primal Alexander Etude created by Mio Morales. It's called TheCyCle because for each finger I'll be asking 4 times the same questions. 1. Where else do I seem to be easing a bit? 2. Where else do I seem to be easing a bit? 3. Where else do I seem to be easing a bit? 4. Where else do I seem to be easing a bit? And then you move on to the other fingers. For each finger you circle that one. So the thumb, you circle the thumb, you move the first finger and then you circle the first finger, and so on. When you ask that question, you want to ask with curiosity so that the answer comes to you. I want to invite you to not to focus on where the answer is in the body, but to allow the answer to come to you, to have a sense of what's happening. The question is where else and not where, because every time you look at a different part of the body, it's seem and not feel, because you don't want to anticipate what the answer is. To be easing. So where in the body is in the process, there's a process of easing, and a bit, because it could be just a little bit different, only a little bit of difference compared to another part of the body. So let's do it and enjoy it. Don't try too hard, but allow it. Thumb. 1. Where else do I seem to be easing a bit? 2. Where else do I seem to be easing a bit? 3. Where else do I seem to be easing a bit? First finger. If the mind wanders off, don't fight it, just come back to ask that question. Where else do I seem to be easing a bit? 2. Where else do I seem to be easing a bit? 3. Where else do I seem to be easing a bit? 4. Where else? Middle finger. 1. Where else? 2. Where else? 3. 4. Ring finger. 1. Where else do I seem to be easing a bit? 2. Where else do I seem to be easing a bit? 3. Where else? 4. Little finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch to the other hand and see if you can lower down the volume. Ask the question with the least amount of effort. So we're going to start from 4 and I'll be lowering down the volume. This is our thumb. 4. Where else do I seem to be easing a bit? 3. Where else do I seem to be easing a bit? 2. Where else? 1. Where else? First finger. 4. 3. Where else? 2. 1. Middle finger. 4. Where else do I seem to be easing a bit? 3. 2. 1. Ring finger. 4. 3. 2. 1. Last one, pinky. 4. 3. 2. 1. Thank you.